Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zapier to update tickets in Jira step by step clearly. To authorize Zapier to update tickets in Jira, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to create a new automation. In the Choose App and Events section, search for and select Jira Software Cloud. Next, in the Trigger Event dropdown, choose New Issue or the specific trigger you need. Proceed by clicking on Continue. Now, you will be prompted to connect your Jira account. Click on the Sign into Jira Software Cloud button. A new window will open, asking for your Jira credentials. Enter your email address associated with your Jira account. Then, provide your Jira API token in the password field. If you don't have an API token, you can create one in your Jira account settings. After entering your credentials, click Allow to grant Zapier access to your Jira account. Once connected, click on Continue in Zapier. Now, you can set up the action by selecting an event you want to use for updating tickets. Again, search for and select Jira Software Cloud. In the Action Event dropdown, select Update Issue. You will need to choose the Jira account that you just connected. Next, specify the issue you want to update. You can select the issue by either its key or ID. In the next step, map any fields you want to update in the ticket. For example, set the status or add comments as necessary. Once you have configured the fields, click on Continue. Zapier will now proceed with the test to ensure everything is functioning correctly. After the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap. Your Zap is now fully set up to authorize an update. This concludes the process for authorizing Zapier to update tickets in Jira. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.